Until now, iPaaS platform pricing has been based on the volume of data being processed, the specific connectors being used, or the number of CPUs provisioned. Flowgear is the only iPaaS vendor to offer scalable subscriptions based on active workflows, making this enterprise technology available to both SMB and enterprise. Flowgear has 4 subscription plans, from the entry-level base plan to the enterprise plan. Pricing you see is fixed for the duration of a 12-month subscription. There are no additional costs for the transactional volumes of data being processed, and Flowgear also doesn't price based on the number of integration solutions you're building. All plans will also give you unlimited access to all 200 pre-built connectors and shared workflow templates. Each plan provides a certain number of active workflows. A workflow is only active when it's running, so you're able to build as many workflows as you need and will be able to run workflows simultaneously up to the active workflow limit. For example, using the standard plan with 25 active workflows, you can build over 1,000 workflows and have any combination of 25 of those workflows running concurrently at the same time. There are 3 ways workflows are considered active. First, when you run a workflow manually, it's active for the period of time that it's executing. For example, you may have a bulk import process you need to run manually once a month. Second, if you set up an always-on workflow, it will be considered active continually. For example, you may have a workflow that waits for emails to arrive in an inbox or uses a scheduler to run a process every minute. Third, workflows launched via API are considered active only for the period of time that they're executing. This includes workflows that run as webhooks or accept pushes from third-party apps or services. For example, you might have a workflow that is invoked via webhook from an e-commerce platform when an order is placed. This type of workflow is typically only active for a few seconds. In all of these scenarios, you can reduce the number of active workflows even further by making use of sub-workflows. Running a sub-workflow doesn't increase the number of active workflows, so you can chain multiple consecutive workflows together and still only consume one active workflow. So with Flowgear, you can start with a plan that meets your current requirements and scale only when your production workloads exceed your active workflow capacity. In this way, you're able to prototype and prove value using all the available connectors without any commercial risk.